Oh wait, yeah,
help me. So I need someone to help me. So can you help me before we do this? Just help me.
Help you with what?
Help me.
Oh my
Help
god.
me do this.
Here, pull it out. Pull the bag out. The bag. Yeah, just like that.
All right. Now I'm gonna set this up.
What are you looking for?
It was hard to set mine up.
Oh, it's a pump.
I don't really know who here this is, but it's kind of like broken.
I'm about to go to the bathroom.
Where's the bathroom?
I am. I was just recording him.
This is our tent. Like we have this for like, you know, and we have like couch and stuff, and we have other stuff. And we have other stuff in the car, and we have this. Yeah, we're just chilling out here. And we also have a computer out here for me when I want to play. Yeah, that's where they are. Yeah, we're just chilling out here. And we're sitting here for 3 days, y'all. So we gonna be like playing and stuff and like helping and like stuff. And my dad's gonna be just hanging out with his homies. Yeah. We're just chilling out here.
Just chilling out here.
Yeah. That's all we're doing. We're just looking. What we got here? Yeah, you know, like we got the fan. It's starting to rain. So that's why everyone have these on there. Yeah, like we're chilling out here. There's nothing going on. There's like no fighting. There's no fighting.
All right, say bye. We'll talk to him later.
Bye. Bye, y'all. So this is the living room in the tent. Like the living room where you lay down and stuff. And this is the bedroom and stuff. And we got the food in the living room. Yeah. And we got the chairs. The chair is over here. And my mom is using it for her legs. And the bed is over here. Follow me. You're supposed to follow me, obviously.
Oh, my bad.
You're supposed to sit down. The bed is. Chairs are in here. Yeah. And this is the outside part. This is the outside. This is where the outside are. The outside. Now we're just chilling. And those are the other tents. And these are just the windows and stuff. Yeah, like some of the windows are open, some of them aren't. Yeah, we're just chilling. Yeah, a lot of them have lights in them, and I want some lights in this tent. I want some lights in the tent. But we didn't get any lights.
Alright, so talk to you later.
Alright, bye. Yo, we're making the s'mores. Yeah, but some YouTubers, when they're making their videos, they stop making their videos and they just go to it's nighttime.
Okay, are you done? You wanted that burnt?
Yeah, I'm not done.
Blow it. When you done, blow it. Blow it out. That's how you want it?
Yeah.
Finna eat it like that?
Ooh, that's good. That's crunchy.
It's crunch.
It's burned up. Guys.
Go.
Alright, what up, guys? We're still doing the video. Yeah, it's like popping, but my hands are like hurting. It's not even that bad. Yeah, we're just popping out here. Oh, but it's a competition. But we don't really got that much of competition. But we got a lot of opponents. But one opponent has a good tent with carpets, and it's a factory. Cause it's a lab. So that's why we need to step our game up, and that's why we're going to go to the store next day. So when we go to the store, but the snacks are over there.
We're going to the store with who money?
The money that you have.
Oh.
Or we're going to use my dad's money. Because he's rich. He's rich. And a foot, my foot.
All right, say bye.
Bye, y'all. We finna go to sleep. And make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and click down below. And click down my below my dad's fat. It's the next day, guys. I'm drinking some of this. We got this floaties and stuff. Yeah, we're just.
Huh? Am I swimming?
Yeah, we're just summer camping. Yeah.
You gotta look at the camera.
Yeah, you can see it.
All right.